What's the meaning of Christmas carol? Christmas carol. Christmas carol.
Christmas carol. Christmas carol. A Christmas carol refers to a song or hymn that is sung during the Christmas season. The lyrics of these songs usually convey the joy and spirit of the holiday, celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. The term carol comes from the French word carol, which means circle dance accompanied by singing. Christmas carols have been an integral part of the holiday season for centuries, bringing people together and spreading cheer. From traditional carols like Silent Night to modern classics like All I Want for Christmas Is You, Christmas carols continue to inspire and uplift people around the world.